What's up guys, it's Cappuccino Garage and welcome to this new video. As you can see, the bug is fully primed. The bug is fully primed, and next step is scuffing it down, sanding it down, and making sure the prime is smooth enough to lay down some paint. I've been skipping the vlogging on the bug. It's just I really don't have time to get up and stop the camera and restart it again every time that I do something new. It just takes so much time away, but just these little updates will do, honestly. I just need to remove the tags on here and then finish priming the front apron. Over the weekend I ended up going over all the pinholes I had. There's still a few that I need to fill up a little bit more, but there was a lot especially on the front hood where I did a lot of bondoing. Alright guys, so I got both front fenders sanded, ready for primer, and right now I'm just gonna dry them up with the rag, clean them up to grease them, and primer should be ready to go on right now. So it's almost dried up, just gonna wait for it to dry up real quick. These are the primers I'm using, and everything's gonna be Rust-Oleum. I'm learning. I'm not gonna use good paint if it's not gonna come out perfect. I'm not gonna complain at all because it's cheap stuff, and I know it won't last long, but if it lasts me about 2 years, and I'll be happy about it. I'll be repainting it sometime in the next few years, but I'll be doing it right, and I might keep working on my paint skills, and might get another project car. So let's see how everything goes. Alright guys, so I finished priming the second fender. This one's the driver's side. There's plenty pinholes from the Bondo that I used. I'm gonna go ahead and fill them up after all this dries up, and I'll probably do that after I'm done working today. And because I come in the morning, I do some work, and then I come in and then I start after I'm done working, but it helps a lot just doing little by little than doing everything at once. Alright guys, so I sanded all the spot putty down. Looks really nice all around. You can see, hopefully you guys can see that. It's pretty bright right now, but everything's done all around on the bug. Also, one fender is done. This is the driver's side. Driver's side fender's done. I had a problem with this fender. Not sure exactly what happened with the spot putty. It didn't dry enough, and it started cracking. So I might just put more spot putty there, and hopefully that works. Right here as well, you can see it crack right there. You can see it crack right there. So I just stopped right there on those two parts. The rest is done, and I'm gonna get back to it tomorrow morning. I'm gonna sand it back down and put some more spot putty on. So hopefully by this weekend I'm able to finish the paint job and move on to the upholstery. I sanded the inside dash down. I went with the 180 grit, and then I'm gonna do the 320 grit. I'm not doing 400 grit because I'm not gonna prime this one. I'm just gonna paint right over it. I'm gonna remove the window tomorrow morning and That way it's easier to paint this. I have that little gash right there. Not gonna fix it because I really don't care. Not much of the dash. I can probably redo that someday, but I don't want to waste time on that. Might plan on doing a wrap with some vinyl, actual vinyl, not the plastic vinyl. And headliner, I'm gonna order it this week so I can get that installed after the paint job. So once that headliner's on, I'll be able to put the windows. Alright guys, so I decided that I'm gonna stop the video with this. Just got done priming the whole thing. Not the whole thing, but just the areas that I worked on. Front head. Everything is already done. I'm pretty satisfied how everything looks, so the next step is just sanding it down with a 400 grit, then paint it. So, and hope you guys are looking forward to that. And also in the next video I'm gonna remove the rear apron and I'm going to wrap the full exhaust, finish some welding on the exhaust, and I should be good. I might get a blow-off valve, not sure, but if I do end up getting one, I'll probably just leave it the day before Shark Fest, record a quick video and show you guys. But after the painting is the upholstery, and I'll be showing you guys a lot of that one because it's gonna be pretty interesting. I'm excited for it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a good one. Peace.